Where are you? Here you are. Don't you dare bite me. Oh, oh, you went back in your little condo, huh? So this is Cherie with Mel Robbins in the background that was listening to the self-help worker that's a female man. I didn't say that. I don't know what I'm afraid of now. But I'm more afraid of this bird. If I put my finger up, actually, this bird is this is a Cherie, and she is really pretty sweet when she's out of that nest box. Now, since poor Sweet Soleil died last year, she's been hanging alone here. And Herby and Carolina, they are over here at the moment because I wanted to keep them safe because we're going. They're actually going to go out to an outdoor aviary. Hopefully, when the summer comes instead of spring, because we have no spring here in Oregon anymore, and at least where I live in Oregon. Anyway, these guys are going to go out first, and then I'll put Cherie out. And but this is there's a sort of, it's just too dangerous for them to be in the kitchen anymore. You know, they get on the floor and they go, the cat, Herby walked up to the cat and the cat jumped over him. Anyway, I'm going to let y'all go because this woman that's on there, the self-help person, oh, the Cherie, big redhead. Let's see what she does. Cherie. See, I can't, if I put my finger anywhere near her beak, man, it's like I'm in trouble. But I can take that box, I can dump it out, and Cherie is cool. Anyway, enough of Mel Robbins in the background, and we have Cherie in the here, and I'll let it go. Hey, Cherie, I wanted to show you guys this little sweetie here, Sweetie Cherie, and her condominium.
They don't even respond.
Bye, y'all.
How big my excuses are.
Bye, Cherie.
And I'm going to read